You will realize these rules one day. 1. Focus on self-improvement every day, it's the best addiction. 2. Instead of seeking more time, minimize distractions. 3. Keep some things to yourself, even with trusted family and friends. 4. Collaborate with smarter people, competition is a weakness. 5. Don't let anyone control you by being easily offended. Stay calm and react less. 6. Rather than blaming distractions, enhance your focus on success. 7. Cultivate strength by embracing solitude. 8. Accept people for who they are, not who you want them to be, to avoid disappointment. 9. Ignore society's advice, as most people have no clue what they're doing. 10. Take initiative to create opportunities, don't wait for them to come to you. 11. Experience real growth by letting go of excuses and building your dream life. Hey, did you know leaving a like costs nothing but means the world to me? By subscribing you will never miss out on my latest videos, and don't forget to hit that bell icon for instant notifications.